Every industrial projects start with two critical goals: best quality and minimum cost. But can we reduce project cost without compromising functionality, safety, and durability? The answer is yes. The secret lies in making the right decisions at the right time. Let's explore how industrial project cost can be optimized from design to execution. Design optimization. Every rupee saved in design is multiplied during execution. Start with efficient layout planning, minimize building footprints, optimize circulation path, and avoid irregular shapes. Use modular grids to standardize column spacing and reduce unnecessary beams or foundations. A well-planned layout itself can reduce civil and structural costs by 10 to 15%. Choosing the right structural system. The choice between PB structures, RCC frames, or trussless arch roof can drastically affect cost. PB structures are faster and lighter. RCC is durable but may cost more for large spans. Trussless arch roofs are best for wide spans without column but require precise design. The right systems depend on span, load, and purpose, and not just the cheapest option. Material optimization. Over-design is one of the biggest cost drivers. Use high-strength steel and concrete where necessary, but not everywhere. Optimize column sizes and foundation depth based on load calculations. Avoid unnecessary over-specifications, especially in the secondary structures like canopies, parapets, or boundary wall. MEP integrations from day one. Many projects face costly rework when MEP services are designed separately from civil and structural works. And integrated MEP designs ensure proper routing of electrical conduits and plumbing lines. No clashes with structural members. Optimize length of cables and pipes. Early coordination saves up to 5 to 7% of project cost. Use of prefabricated components. Prefabricated electrical panels, deck slabs, plumbing shafts, staircase, and boundary walls not only save time but also reduces wastage and labor costs. Quality versus specifications. Higher specifications don't always mean better performance. Choose material based on balance between performance, lifespan, and cost, not just brand names. For an example, instead of using imported fire-rated doors, certified locally manufactured doors can deliver the same performance at lower price.